So once we've got a little bit of an idea about our core values and the fact that these are driving us, then we need to start thinking about where is it that they are actually driving us to. And this brings me to the question of what is success? Now, there are thousands and thousands of different answers to this question if you type it in the internet. And the reason for that is because success is something uniquely different for every single person. Now, interestingly, many of us go off striving for this success thing. We go off chasing for it our whole entire lives. And actually, we've never spent the time to sit down and question and write down in black and white and define exactly what that means for us. Somebody once asked me this question and I was completely stumped. I had no idea, and I had a business for years and I'd been chasing success for years. And when I was actually asked the question of, yes, but what is it? I found myself actually unsure how to answer it, and therefore, how could I possibly ever end up there? This is really important for us to get this question right. You know, one of the worst things we can ever do is wake up one day and realize we don't even know what it is that we've been searching for. So let's get this right from today. Need to think about, what does it look like? What does it feel like? What does it smell like for you? What kind of life will you have? What are you actually looking for, and what do you desire? What kind of lifestyle will you have? What level of health will you have? How much money per month will you have? You can't just say success for me is having wealth. How much wealth? How much per month? These are the questions you really need to be answering. Most people never stop to answer the question, and therefore that's why most people end up actually not getting anywhere.